In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove installed apps in GoHighLevel. If you've connected tools through the marketplace and you're ready to tidy things up, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to safely disconnect an app from a sub-account. We'll stay inside GoHighLevel the whole time, and I'll point out what to expect on each screen so there are no surprises. First, sign in and open the specific sub-account where the app is installed. Removals happen at the sub-account level, so make sure you're inside the right workspace before you proceed. If you manage multiple locations, double-check the name in the header to confirm you're in the correct place. Next, head to the app marketplace. You'll find it in the main navigation on the left. This is where all integrations live, including new apps you can add and the ones already connected. Once you're in the marketplace, switch to the Installed Apps view. This tab lists every app currently active in your sub-account. Take a quick moment to scan the list and identify the exact integration you want to remove. Click the app you want to remove to open its details page. Here you can review what the app does and any versions or permissions tied to it, which is helpful for understanding what will be disconnected. On the apps page, look for the three-dot menu. This opens the action options for that integration. Choose Uninstall. GoHighLevel will start a short guided flow to make sure you're removing the right connection. When prompted, select the sub-account to uninstall from. If you manage several, you might see multiple options. Pick the one you're currently working in. If you only have one, it'll already be selected. Click Continue to proceed. You may see a summary of what access will be revoked. Read any notices here, especially if the app syncs contacts, calendars, or conversations, because uninstalling stops those syncs. Finally, confirm by clicking Uninstall. The system will process the change and remove the integration from the selected sub-account. That's it. After the uninstall completes, give your workflows, triggers, and pipelines a quick review to ensure nothing is still referencing the removed app. If the app handled messaging, calendars, or custom fields, you might also see optional prompts to clean up mappings. Keep an eye on any billing that originates from the app provider, since removing an app inside GoHighLevel doesn't necessarily cancel third-party subscriptions. And that's how you remove installed apps in GoHighLevel: clean, quick, and controlled. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.